Starting gold investing is simpler than most ads make it sound. Beginners usually overthink gold, but you don't need perfect conditions to start. You can buy gradually instead of trying to call the top or bottom. You also don't need big money. Starting with a single small coin or bar is normal. And you don't need a gold IRA unless you specifically want retirement account tax treatment. Keep it simple with 1 or 2 product types and basic secure storage. Small, steady buys beat pressure to contribute a lot. The first real decision is the vehicle, because each option has different rules. Physical gold is simplest, no account required, but you handle storage and selling later. A gold ETF is convenient, but you need a brokerage account, and many are taxed as collectibles with a top federal rate of 28%. A gold IRA adds structure, but it requires an IRA custodian and IRS-approved metals, often 99.5% purity for gold. If you're rolling over, eligible accounts usually include old 401ks, 403bs, and traditional IRAs. If you choose physical gold, the smart beginner move is to reduce mistakes per dollar. Decide between coins and bars, then pick sizes you can easily resell. Think 1 ounce, or even fractional pieces if budget matters. Next, verify purity, and, if it's for an IRA, eligibility before you pay. Don't compare price to spot alone. Compare the full transaction spread, meaning what you pay versus what you could sell for. Confirm insured delivery, and choose storage, home safe, or vault, before buying. Most gold disappointment comes from costs you didn't measure up front. Premiums differ between coins and bars, but the bigger hidden cost is the spread, the gap between dealer sell price and buyback price. Add shipping and insurance, and watch for payment method surcharges, because wires, checks, and cards can price differently. If you use a gold IRA, layer an ongoing custodian and storage fees every year. Finally, ask about one-time setup fees and closure or transfer charges, because those can hit when you least expect it. The fastest way to get burned is mixing up regular gold rules with IRA rules. Non-IRA coins placed into an IRA later can be disallowed, and home storage for IRA metals can trigger taxes and penalties. Avoid opaque pricing. If a dealer won't show a clear spread, you're probably paying it. Don't ignore annual fees in a gold IRA. Even a $250 yearly drag is $2,500 over a decade. Get buyback terms in writing, and remember storage choice affects both costs and your ability to sell smoothly. If you only remember one thing, measure the spread and the ongoing fees before you buy. Those 2 numbers decide most outcomes. The smart investor matches you based on your goals and investment size, then shows the real dollar cost difference between options and providers. Free, takes about 3 minutes, and the link is in the description.